In Nigeria, poultry farming is a common way for households to earn income. But for many, it never becomes reliable, while for others, it does. So, what makes the difference? We visited Gauta in Nasarawa State, where many women run small poultry farms. For over 5 years, Mrs. Lowell has raised poultry alongside other small businesses, but the farm has not been consistent.
My challenge is about heat, too much of heatness.
Managing temperature remains a challenge.
The egg can reduce because of heatness.
Production is irregular and losses are frequent.
They are dying because of the heat.
As a result, much of the farm is left unused, and poultry alone cannot sustain her household.
I have a lot of business here. It's not only chicken. That's why I don't much too much use money for chicken to train my children to school.
But just a few minutes away, a different story is unfolding. This is Zainab's farm. She has been running this farm for 5 years as well. But here, poultry is not a side activity. It is the main source of income.
It's a very, very, very 90%. Like I am now. I cannot do any government work that will pay me 500,000 in a month. I won't accept it. So that is how reliable it is.
The farm has steadily expanded.
At a point, I increased to 50, 100, 150. And now I normally put up to 2,000 beds.
Production is consistent.
I don't have challenges as much. The only area we do have challenges at times is in terms of buyers, where to sell, where to supply.
And losses are low.
In 500 beds, when we calculate our mortalities, if it's much, maybe 20.
It's the same community, the same activity, yet very different outcomes. We spoke with a local veterinarian to understand why.
There's a lot of things that she's doing which is far different from other customers. She's trying try as much as she can do to follow the modern practice, especially in terms of biosecurity, which is one of the things that's giving a lot of farmers headaches.
Most farmers lack access to the right training.
The number one key thing is I think that to bring a solution to that, it was the training, basically the training. Yes, because it's one of the things that will close 50% gap of the problem, the challenges that people are facing.
And proper housing remains a challenge.
Then secondly, the infrastructure support of what financial or the direct infrastructure to the farmers. That one it will also go a long way to solve a lot of problems.
And many do not get consistent quality inputs.
Then the third layer of the thing is the channel of acquiring the debts. The farmers have to know, they have a direction, where can we get a standard debt.
To close this gap, AgroEmpower Microfarms supports smallholder farmers with the right system, access to quality inputs, practical training, and better farm structures, delivered together and not in isolation, so more farmers can achieve consistent, profitable outcomes, just like Zainab.